Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2006 Mazda MX-5 stock number 7301. Stream from the 10th 2005 to the 7th 2015. It's our LF 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine, big plus 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the LF 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left hand headlight needs polish. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch factory magnet tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory magnet tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear boot lid. No dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory magnet tyre. Right front door one dent. Right hand door mirror. Right front 17-inch factory magnet tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Automatic air shifter, interior mirror, left front sun visor, factory 3-spoke steering wheel, instrument cluster,